susunod na programa ay rated MCB. Ito ay isang talakayang tungkol lamang sa mga mikrobyo.
Wait, Gusto exam?
Hi! Ganito pala sa UP. Mainit. Malawak. Maraming hinuhulaan sa MCB.
Ang daming emote. Kain tayo.
Okay ka na.
Ayun na. Gutom na ako.
I believe deserve natin talaga to. Uy, parang ang sarap. Tikman na natin.
Ala, nga.
Kulong-pula yung sa akin.
Tara na.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Bakit parang may nagko-concert sa tiyan ko?
Okay, everybody. System, check. Bowel movement, steady. Vibes, healthy. All is... Uy! What the helly? Who are you?
OMG. Haven't you met me ba? I'm the moment. I'm the vibe. I'm the villain. AKA Miss Lasang-Lason 25.
Hey, teka. Bawal ka rito, right? This is a probiotic zone. Para sa mga good vibes, like me.
Girl, good vibes? In this economy, ang boring mo. Ako, I bring drama. I bring flavor. At ang favorite kong dish, tummy ache realness.
Teka lang, paano ka nakapasok? Fermented foods protect the gut, di ba?
Kasi naman yung gulay, pinabayaan sa labas ng ref. Kulang sa asin, tsaka nasa maraming lalagyanan pa. Kaya made pasok like a smooth criminal.
Ah, so this is what you're like pala ha? Ikaw na yung bago rito. Ikaw pa yung toxic umasta.
To be honest, I'm not toxic. I'm bio-aggressively active. Okay, fine. Maybe may konting toxin, but it's called slaying. Look it up.
But you're producing toxins.
But you're producing toxins, girl. See? I told you. His body isn't ready for this body.
But you're hurting Sean.
Ang OA! Sorry kung natapakan pagiging love team niyo sa Chan, ha? Well, what can I do? Choices were made. Jars were unwashed. I'm just the consequence.
Humanda ka. Next time, maganda ang ferment. Tamang amount ng asin, clean tools, ref life.
Edi wow. Anyways, the next time na may failed ferment, I'll be back. Like a toxic ex. Bye mga not-so Latina.
Ano, Gusto na yung chan mo?
Wala na nga nasagot sa exam kanina. Bagsak pa tiyan ko for today's video. Nice! Double kill talaga.
Kaya naman mga ka-gut health, when you ferment food, always use the right amount of salt and clean tools. Siguraduhin nasa tamang lagayan nito at always observe the proper fermentation time.
Sa mundo ng mikrobyo, may good and bad bacteria.
At minsan, may bakterya na parang toxic X. Unwanted, unexpected, at bumabalik lang para manggulo.
Kaya naman, ferment responsibly.
Akin na kaya?
Hoy!
Or else, your chan will get messy.